Hi, welcome to my channel. In this channel I want to say that we can go to the stars. The stars are more close than you are believing and with normal proportion, not in a crazy manner. So in each video I cut from other videos and I count them about planets. Planet from Greek means wandering star. So I cut from this video.
So, Chuck,
Yes,
we haven't talked about planets in a long time,
this is true.
all right? I think we're overdue throwing a little extra planet pop culture. Can you recite the planets in order?
In order, you
Yes.
mean like coming from Mercury,
Okay.
right? And then Venus, Earth, right? And then Mars going out after that. That's the big one. That's Jupiter. And then you got Neptune behind Jupiter.
No, you got
Oh, I'm sorry.
How you gonna leave out Saturn?
Saturn. God. Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and then,
Uranus.
right.
Neptune.
And, Uranus, Neptune, sorry. And then,
No,
and yeah.
we're done it. Neptune.
Uranus, Neptune, and then
We're done.
So you see, this is the way I made the videos. He will say that the fixed stars, okay, they are still fixed. He's saying somehow. So our galaxy does not have 100,000 years that they want to say. The galactic center is not where they are saying, okay. But if you do not understand, you make a temporal function over 100,000 years span. So something in the middle of the galaxy must have grab, like with a hand, with gravity, in different temporal times. So the waves emitting from the center must be in a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 100,000 years. So our galaxy is smaller than you are believing. These galaxies are only stars, clouds. Our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by black clouds of matter. So what I was saying. So watching out the part from Neil Degrasse Tyson. This is the way I make the videos. Okay. So what it is saying about the fixed stars and the name, the planets. Okay. So I will speak more about watch this.
The planet count over the years has fluctuated.
yes.
To the ancients, there were 7 planets. I will recite them for you.
Okay.
Mercury,
Okay.
Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, the Sun,
What?
and the Moon.
All right. Now I could see the moon being considered a planet because it's like
No,
coming
because the
and
definition
going.
of planet has changed.
I could. What if
In
I'm-
the day,
Yeah.
planet was anything that moved against the background sky.
Okay. So all the other stars are staying kind of where they are.
Correct.
And then
What
you
they call
have
the
these
fixed
little
stars.
Fixed stars. Then you got these little bodies that just kind
Didn't
of
have- size didn't matter.
Wander along.
Size didn't matter. Brightness didn't matter. Did you
matter.
move
Did you move?
against the background stars?
So any satellite.
The Greek word for wanderer, because these are things that wandered among the background stars,
All right.
is planetes.
Planetes.
Yes.
That's very romantic.
Yes.
Planetes.
That's where we get the word planet from. And the fact that they use the word wander is evidence they had no clue what was going on.
right. Yeah.
Okay.
So okay, if you know, this is the way that I make the videos. So from ancient times, our planet was a sphere, and the stars are moving like this. So Ptolemy in 106, like this 160, knew that the stars move like this, and some planets are doing weird shit, like Mars planets, like this. All the stars move like this. You cannot obtain this only if the Earth is spinning like this, and the stars like on the walls are fixed. Like imagine, inclusively this are stars, small stars, clouds. You put them here, and if the Earth is spinning like this, and this will make a perfect circle, the galaxy itself. If the galaxy will move like this, you see, when the Earth will spin, this perfect circle, so you do not obtain them, because you see the galaxy will move. and you will notice. But if these are inside our galaxy, like the rest of the stars, you put this fix, and the Earth spins. You make these circles. You obtain these circles. So the galaxies are stars. Simply stars. Okay. So watch another part from Neil deGrasse Tyson, and I don't have something with these guys. Maybe someday we will speak. I'm saying like we cannot see the universe. Okay, they are tricked. All the science, theoretical science is false. Quantum mechanics, Einstein, even Newton. Okay, so watch another part.
So 7 planets. It is not an accident that there's 7 days a week.
Okay.
Each day of the week is named for one of those 7 planets.
Sunday.
That's exactly.
Sunday.
Sunday
Yeah.
is named after
Sunday.
the sun.
The sun.
Okay, how about Saturday?
Sabido y cante.
No, Sabado is different. That's Spanish.
Yes.
Okay, Sabado is Sabbath.
Oh,
Okay.
so it has nothing to do with the planet.
No, I'm talking about English, dude.
Yeah, okay. So Saturday.
Yeah,
So
Sunday.
It's got to be Saturn.
Saturn. Sunday's the sun. And how about Moon Day?
Well, there you go. Moon Day.
Yeah, guess what Moon Day was named after?
But now that works in Spanish because it's lunes.
Lunes.
All right, now what do you do with Tuesday? Now, where are you gonna get a planet? Now, okay. Now you got to do something impressive because you got to come up with a planet for Tuesday.
I will. Okay, Planet Mars.
So okay, if you watch that, he's saying even about the names of the planets. I know them in the order. In Romanian is similar with Italian and Spanish. This guy knows Spanish language and it is telling you. So we say exactly like Mars, from Luna or the moon, Lune, Mars, from Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Joi, Venus, Venus, Saturn, Sâmbătă, and Sunday. We say another way, Domini Deus, like God's day. Dominica is it? So it is different. The only day that we say Dominica.
Okay.
Okay.
So now, why are you trolling me?
Okay. All right. So watch.
You just
Okay. So let's go back to the Romance languages.
Okay.
What do they call Tuesday?
in the Romance
Yeah.
language.
The lunes, martes.
Martes.
I know it in Spanish. Martes.
Martes.
It's Mars.
Right. Mars.
Okay.
Okay. All right. There
Okay.
you go. That's cool.
So Tuesday, well, Tuesday doesn't sound like Mars, but there is a Norse god called Tuz.
Twos.
Tuz, yes.
Right.
And this is a god of war.
Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you. The stars are fixed. The stars are not like our sun. They equivalated this sun, stars. Sun is a star. The stars is a sun. Star. This trick comes from 1300s, from Giordano Bruno times. He did not invent this, but he said this. The stars are not fusing, are small and are cold and are eliminated. They're putting clouds. The clouds of the border of our galaxy. This is a cloud. And this black stuff from hydrogen, oxygen. The clouds themselves produce energy. So the planets are put there. You see, the Jupiter planet. Okay. So it is. He is saying the clouds. You see. Okay. I printed this from Webb and Hubble. So watch another part from Neil deGrasse Tyson, and then we'll finish the video.
Gotcha.
So what's next? That's Tuesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay.
Wednesday.
So what's Wednesday in Spanish?
Miércoles.
Miércoles, right? Which would be Mercury.
Right.
So Mercury is
There you go. Mercury.
the god of what? What's he good at?
He was a postman.
He's moving fast.
That's right.
He's moving fast. And Mercury is the closest planet to the sun.
So-
And when you're that close, you move fast so you don't
Right.
fall in.
Exactly.
So Mercury's the fastest moving planet. And the Romans knew this, the Greeks knew this.
Right.
So Miércoles, Mercury, but for us it's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So Wednesday,
Right.
Woden.
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 So okay, if you watch that, you must realize that not only 7 wandering planets. He's saying like he didn't want to name the Pluto planet. There is a planet, a small planet, a dwarf planet. Ceres is so asteroid belt. Okay, so do you notice that not only 7 stars do funny things like this? If you observe them, like Mars planet. Okay, and you cannot play Ptolemy made some movements like this and to put the earth in the middle. Okay, so the Copernic put the sun in the middle, and some stupid bullshit crazy guy, nobody knows his name, put our sun in in a spiral that say this is a star, simple star, like here in a border, not to be special. Okay, so this is a small star. We can go here with shit that we have. Okay, so they discover not only 7 planets. If you know, in Jupiter, Galileo discovered 4 satellites, main Callisto, Ganymede, Europe. Okay, so there are many, much more like this, like you see in L orbit. And so I am telling you that gravity is a light field produced by the clouds of the border of our galaxy. Jupiter planets itself does not keep them there. No, nothing is pushing them, only rotates them and push all the planets at a constant speed, like this, because there's a swirl of light energy produced by the clouds. These clouds of the border of our galaxy produce an energy. Okay, so they're not. They made a happy cycles. They say, but the Copernic said if you put the sun in the middle, you do not have to the need to make many funny things, mathematical things. Okay, but not only 7 planets do like this. They discover many of them. Like after Mars, there is a Ceres. So they are much more bigger than the moon. If you if you understand, there are planets, and they're not, and there are hundreds like this in not on normal orbit around Jupiter planets like this. So if gravity manifests on the equator, you see how you will keep them like this. If it is not, gravity is only concentrated by the planets by relatively by mass. It depends what it contains, because gravity is a light field of level. An object, when it falls, discharges light energy. Okay, so until a certain level, then it is smaller. This background microwave radiation is one of these complex field. So they discovered many pieces. Like, so watch another part. Speak more. It seems like I must make a bigger video than I plan to make a short one. But watch another part from Neil deGrasse Tyson. For I do have something with these guys. This channel like Start Talk. Okay, so watch another part from deGrasse Tyson.
Woden's Day.
Woden's Day.
Yeah. And so he's the closest Norse god as a counterpart to Mercury.
Okay.
So Mercury was a messenger god. Woden had some other features about him.
Yeah.
But it included serving as a traveler back and forth to hell, whatever they called hell. Thursday, we all know who that's named after.
What Thursday?
Thor.
Right.
It's Thor's Day.
Thor's Day.
Thor wields what?
The hammer.
Well, the hammer and lightning.
Right.
Okay. Who in Greek mythology wields lightning? Well, Greek and Roman. Okay.
Jupiter. Wow.
So what do we have in the Romance languages? What do we call Thursday?
Oh wait, I don't know.
Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves. Okay, so it begins with a J. It's Jupiter.
Right. In French?
Jeudi.
Okay, after you watch that, so this is the idea. Pluto, the board of our solar system. So from there starts. So are many wandering planets. This means from Greek, planets. Okay, wandering star. They discover many. So they are making like this around the sun, Pluto distance. There are many. And from Jupiter to. So what I wanted to tell you under the end of the video. So there are hundreds. This is what I want to tell you. If you're not satisfied by we have small islands. You see, you have small planets. You do not want to name them planets like Ceres and Pluto, bigger than the moon. So if we have an island like this, the people live there. If you're not satisfied with hundreds of blocks of chunks of the asteroid, many thousands maybe, in the asteroid belt of Pluto planet, that's thousands of planets. Okay, so there are two types I'm saying. Like one of them is like metals, like they produce light, and one of them like they do not produce light like this. Okay, so this is the difference. Maybe someday you will understand this between a star and a planet, maybe because this many chunks like this was coagulate in a cloud of water that is our galaxy. This is a sphere and was coagulating. Some of them are made from metals and materials capable of absorbing and emit light. The God voided, semi-voided. There's still some water and inside the solar system. Semi-voided. The sun was unignited, and all the planets, all the chunks, all the matter like this remained suspended, coagulated prior, and then some material put in clouds like this. Much more capable of producing light. So then an ignition like in a thundercloud lightning ignited all the galaxy at once, all the stars, like a shortcut, ignited all the stars. But maybe remain some pieces, even like here. If you understand, this is a small cloud, okay, maybe you understood from the beginning. This from water. You can see lightning in here from NASA. Okay, it's not from gases. So maybe there remain some pieces like here, like this, like a rock, unignited. You can, but maybe they do not move, they do not spin, but gravity does not force a body to spin. Because this is a light field. If you hit an object, the light is not rotating. You have some condition, like our planet has a core, metallic core, or something like this. Okay, this light it is produced by this cloud ignites the sun itself. This is a discovery. Nobody knows it. The sun does not make fusion. It does not run like itself, its own batteries. Exactly like the stars, it is heat. It is made from iron and from magnets, magnetic fields, and it is constantly heat alimentated by this energy. That is, so it is not a relation between the sun and earth like this. Okay, so the science, you understand, it is wrong. They are going with rockets with big power. You put some hydrogen, liquid hydrogen, and you fly in the space. And it was an invention made by von Braun, and they are lying to you with these inventions. It is 1.5 like a mass time velocity square Leibniz. It is not equal with mass time acceleration square, and this is telling you that even the mechanical movement of kinetic energy of an impact, not electric energy, that it is light, it is not correct. Okay, so the mechanical movement, you have two equations. So they do not know, and they still know big stuff. So watch another part from Neil deGrasse Tyson. It is a nice video. Okay, he usually speaks this bullshit science, quantum mechanics, false, but this is a nice video. Watch another part.
Judy.
Oh, you put the hand in the
Judy. No.
So there you get Jupiter,
right?
The corresponding god to Thor.
Okay, that makes sense.
All right. And what we left with Friday,
and that's the last day.
That's Friday, last day out of the 7.
Saturn was Saturday.
Okay, so Friday, what's that in Romance languages? Again,
in Spanish, I know it's Viernes.
Viernes, okay.
Right.
At Venus. Named for Venus, the goddess of love and beauty and all that. But we've once again drawn from the Norse traditions there. So it's Frigga.
Frigga.
Frigga is the goddess of beauty
I didn't know
in
that.
Norse legend.
The
Yeah.
Norse legend.
So after you watch that, let me tell you like this. He did not want it to name. It was some main dude for this. Pluto, this is a planet because it is a dwarf planet, and I've told you, we live on this like islands, big islands. It's an island, okay? It is a planet. But now let me tell you like this. When you will stop, you see this video is about the days of the. It is like godlike. You see that the apocalypse says they try to change the time. They give the hour when one hour in front and then back again at the solstice, like this crazy godlike. And you in America you do not understand because this had churches. Mars had churches. Mars planet had. You can see them in Turkey. They are still standing. There was tables of sacrificing pigs and chickens. You do not know this in America. You're believing some dude in ancient Greeks wrote a book like a mythology. These guys had real temples. Venus and Aphrodite. There was drunken like stupor and at the temples. They're still standing. You do not know this in America. So they took the days of the week, if you understand, in Italy, in Spain, in Romania even, I've told you, right? We say the days of the week. Luni, marți, miercuri, joi, vineri, sâmbătă, duminică, you understand? So from the planets, yeah, I know them by the northern, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Ceres, asteroid blade, Jupiter. Okay, and so I know Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Okay, so maybe I missed Saturn. Okay, so
Yes.
Yes,
You
Venus.
know?
Yes.
Venus and beauty go together.
Right.
Have this amalgam of words that track those 7 days of the week.
Okay.
And we borrowed from Norse. We have Latin. And some of that Latin we would see in the Romance languages.
Right.
And so
But they all track back to the seven planets.
The 7 planets. Correct.
Right.
So you see what I'm telling you. If you do not want these planets to be named planets, but as they are planets nonetheless, why do you not change this? You make a commission and you change the names of the planet. You do not want to stop. Apollo was a god as a temple in Turkey. You can the Deimos, Dimorphos, these are some asteroids, Phobos. There were not only like in a mythology book. They had temples. Okay, so now we are Christian like a billion people, and what do you have to deal with these gods? Like you are laughing, like you are when you see Apollo missions. I compose music for Apollo missions. You see, so in the ancient Greeks, it was a common name. But you name after the god, not after the common name. Okay. Saint Paul says that has a friend in a letter in the Bible. Its name was Apollo. So it was a common name, but you named the mission Apollo after a god, not has a temple. It has a temple. You see, they were sacrificing pigs and chickens, so and cows, and you do not believe this. So where is your culture? So now, if you want to do something good for this planet, sir, Degrasse Tyson, I don't have anything against you, but you are trick. Okay, Einstein's false physics, even Newton and Leibniz, and they are going in space with von Braun rockets. Okay, so if you want to make something good, make a commission, and now you'll name the planets after our continents. Africa, like this, not gods. What god? What gods? You see, but it is a small reason. Maybe you pull some and you make random, like to not be a set. You see, Mars is bigger than Mercury. Maybe wrong condition. Venus, I'm telling you, Russian light, ideal condition. Jupiter is made from water, and the gravity is not due to mass. how big it is a body. It is a light field, okay? It cannot surpass only a limit. It cannot surpass because it's a concentrated light field, okay? So but even the black holes are false. If you watch my channel if you want to understand. So if you want, this is my my appeal. If you watch my video, make a gathering and rename the planets. You make extract random stuff like Africa. There's a reason why. There's locations already named, and you can identify them with the Earth. Okay, so you take Europe, for example. You see there's France. There's some and maybe you will cut it like in America. You have square states like Wyoming or something like this. You cut the planets like on equator like this, and you make the meridians, and okay. So you cut some square legs, but you name them like all the planet Africa, and some squares like in this manner everybody from Earth can learn them. You see, there's on the moon names that they like ad hoc name, okay. So if you want at least change the name of the planet, well, how do you want? But this is my proposal after the continents, and you do not be upset. You put like on upset that I'm told Venus planet is has a ideal conditions exactly like Earth size dimension. So you put them and extract it like numbers, like lotto numbers, Africa, and you put Mars Africa. This is my proposal, okay? You can name it how do you want, but it is time for us to get rid of these gods, to stop naming the missions of NASA mission with ancient gods. It had temples. You pray to them like Artemis. It was a goddess, okay, and has a temple. You can watch this on in Turkey, okay. So this is the video for today. I wanted to make it short, but this is how it was, and the end. I had these things to say, okay. Actual current day science is wrong. The stars are cold, small, very small, like moon sun size dimension. You can have these maybe planets, but not wandering. Maybe they're fixed and not even spinning. Okay, so maybe there are hundreds. So we can go to the stars. We can cross the ship like this degeneration. If you do not want, and like 13 billion trillion years, okay, I've told you, you are proud and you are lying. You make a function over 100,000 years span that you are saying that is our galaxy, and I want to see you put a link. I want to see your equations, how the gravity can grab 1 year and 2 years. You don't understand. By the time the waves of gravity are emitted from this center, this is 100,000 years in backwards. You see, 1 year backwards, 2 years, 100,000 years backwards, and you show me an equation spanning over 100,000 years, and then you'll talk with me. So it's time to change the planets, and I want to see it. What is 1.5 mass time velocity square times time 1 time t1 to t what is the crazy equation, okay? Newton is wrong. I tell you it is wrong, okay? And even Leibniz and Einstein, quantum mechanics. So we can go to the stars. Now's the time. I've told you there are thousands of big planets. You can colonize them, and now's the time. And these guys are tricking you, arrest you in schools, and they are fool you, and they are make you stupid, okay? So let's change even the data. If you Romanian government will hear this, why we give a day for gods, Mars, Mercury, Mercury, Venus. Why we do this stuff? Why not some Christian names? Why? Because the real God was Christ. Why some Christian names? Okay. So goodbye. God bless. This is what I want to tell you. If you want to be lied, you will not go on moon. 50 more years from now. It'll be stupid. Okay. And So this is my channel. Do not understand. I compose music for Apollo mission. Now I will upload a video for Apollo 13. Houston have a problem, okay? Some electronic music. So, but I don't have anything. But it's time to be smart and not stupid, okay? To get rid of this god Artemis and Apollo and a stupid thing like this. Okay, goodbye. God bless. Only good.